Level 1, Module 1, Introduction to Life Coaching. Welcome to Level 1 of the International Coaching Institute certification. In this stage, you'll explore the core principle that effective coaching isn't about giving more advice, but about fostering better thinking. By guiding individuals to develop their own insights, coaches empower lasting growth and self-reliance. This approach shifts the focus from telling to truly listening and facilitating meaningful reflection. As you progress, you'll learn techniques that help unlock potential through thoughtful questioning and support. Life coaching is a professional partnership where a coach helps you clarify your goals, overcome obstacles, and create a plan for personal growth. Unlike therapy, which often focuses on healing past wounds, life coaching is forward-looking and action-oriented. In this module, you'll discover the basics of life coaching, how it works, and what you can gain from the process. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of what to expect and how life coaching might support your journey toward positive change. A coach serves as a guide, helping individuals unlock their potential and achieve their personal or professional goals. Rather than providing direct answers or instructions, coaches use thoughtful questions and active listening to encourage self-discovery and growth. During a coaching session, the coach creates a supportive environment where clients can explore challenges, clarify their objectives, and develop actionable strategies. This collaborative process empowers clients to take ownership of their progress and make meaningful changes in their lives. Shifting from a mindset of fixing others to one of facilitating their growth represents a profound change in perspective. Instead of seeing people as problems to be solved, we begin to view them as individuals with unique strengths and potential. This approach encourages active listening, empathy, and support, fostering an environment where people feel empowered to take ownership of their own development. By focusing on guidance rather than control, we help others unlock their capabilities and achieve lasting personal growth. Life coaching is fundamentally a structured conversation designed to help individuals progress toward their personal or professional goals. Through guided discussions, clients gain greater clarity about their aspirations and the obstacles they face. The process emphasizes accountability, encouraging clients to take responsibility for their decisions and actions. By fostering intentional action, life coaching supports meaningful change and empowers clients to achieve lasting results. A coach is often misunderstood as someone who swoops in to solve problems, pass judgment, or deliver motivational speeches. However, a coach is not a rescuer, a judge, or a motivational speaker. Instead, the true role of a coach is to serve as a thinking partner. This means working alongside individuals to help them explore their own ideas, clarify their goals, and develop solutions. The focus is on empowering others to find their own answers, rather than providing them outright. The simplest coaching model begins with clarifying the client's goals, ensuring both coach and client share a clear understanding of what success looks like. Next, the process involves exploring any obstacles that may be standing in the way, helping to identify challenges and limiting beliefs. By unlocking new choices, the client is encouraged to consider alternative perspectives and solutions. Finally, the model emphasizes committing to action, turning insights into practical steps forward. This straightforward approach provides a solid foundation for effective coaching conversations. Coaching is fundamentally oriented toward the future, guiding individuals to set and achieve their goals. While the process emphasizes growth and forward movement, it also acknowledges the importance of a person's past experiences. By respecting where someone has come from, coaching helps to identify patterns and lessons that can inform future choices. This balanced approach ensures that clients feel understood and supported as they work toward meaningful change. A fundamental difference in effective coaching lies in the questions we ask. Rather than focusing on "what's wrong with you?" skilled coaches redirect the conversation toward understanding what truly matters to the individual. By asking, "What's important to you, and what needs to shift for you to live it?" the emphasis moves from problems to possibilities. This approach encourages personal growth and empowers individuals to identify meaningful changes that align with their values. Ultimately, it fosters a more supportive and transformative coaching experience. Practicing effective coaching questions and language is essential for building strong coaching relationships. By focusing on open-ended questions, you encourage deeper reflection and insight from your clients. Phrases like, "What would success look like for you?" or "How might you approach this challenge differently?" can foster meaningful conversations. Consistent practice helps you develop a natural, supportive communication style that you can confidently use in real coaching sessions. Take a moment to consider what truly inspires you to pursue coaching. Reflect on the experiences or values that have drawn you to this path. Think about the kinds of people whose growth and success resonate most deeply with you. By understanding your core motivations and the audience you feel called to serve, you can create a more meaningful and impactful coaching journey. At its core, coaching is about guiding individuals to rediscover their own strengths, values, and aspirations. It creates a supportive space where people can reconnect with themselves and gain clarity on their personal and professional journeys. As we move forward, the next module will shift focus to the broader coaching industry, exploring its trends, opportunities, and the impact it has on individuals and organizations alike.